You are about to practice beginner's meditation. Welcome to the Fightmaster Yoga channel. I'm Lesley Fightmaster. This is day 28 of our Yoga for Beginners 30-day challenge. Today, we get to take it easy a little bit. For some of you, this will be a nice welcome break. For others, you will find it a bit challenging. Meditation is not easy, so be kind to yourself and do your best. This meditation is a guided meditation where we'll focus on creating positive thoughts, and you can do this sitting up or lying down, so choose a comfortable position for you. I would actually recommend starting your day listening to this meditation going forward. It's a great way to start the day to focus positive thoughts for a positive day. All right, let's get started. All right, I gotta pause the washer so you can hear me. So, should I wait? Okay, today's winner of a Jade Yoga mat is Linda Moran from Bartlett, Illinois. Congratulations, Linda. And there's still time for you to win a Jade Yoga mat. All you have to do to enter is go to fightmasteryoga.com/free mat and enter there. You have 2 more days. So you have to remember though, in order to win, you must subscribe to Fightmaster Yoga and push the like button if you like that you're feeling more confident. Hopefully it's gonna start up again. So begin sitting nice and tall and take a few long, smooth breaths. Bringing the hands together. May my meditation today help me to relax and realize that I have everything I need to be happy, healthy, and abundant. Slowly make your way onto your back with your knees bent, heels under knees, feet hips width. Inhale, gently lift your hips and your low back, and then exhale, lower down 1 vertebra at a time. And again, inhale, lift, spiral the thighs in, and exhale, lower down vertebra by vertebra. Again, press to the heels, inhale, lift, lengthening sitting bones toward backs of knees, and then exhale, lower back down. Inhale, lift, this time reach the arms overhead, palms facing in. As you exhale, lower down slowly, take the arms with you. Once again, inhale, lift as you reach your arms up and over, spiral the thighs in. Exhale, lower down slowly. Inhale and lift again into a gentle bridge. Keep lengthening your sitting bones toward the backs of your knees. Exhale, take the arms down, take the hips down. Now bring your right ankle just past your left knee and flex that ankle. You can keep the left foot on the floor or hold on to the left shin or behind the thigh. Draw your right hip forward and relax any tension in your shoulders, your neck, your jaw. And then we'll take a twist. You can keep the legs in the same position as you take them over to the left, looking over the right shoulder, or feel free to change knee on top of knee. Inhale, make your way to center. Exhale, left ankle just past right knee and hold on to the right leg. Keep the foot on the floor. Either way, just stretching out your hip a little bit. Gentle, steady breaths here, relaxing shoulders and jaw. And release that. And then take your legs over to the right, looking over the left shoulder in the same position, or you can place your left knee on top of the right if that's more comfortable. breathing here. Inhale, come back to center. Now you can choose to stay on your back lying down or roll to your right and press up to a comfortable seat, and you can remain seated. If you are sitting, you might choose to sit up on a folded blanket or a pillow to lift your hips. So whether you're lying down or sitting up, just start to come in again to your steady breathing. Begin to relax all the muscles in your face, your shoulders, and your jaw. As you start to relax your body, begin a moment to take your attention to your breath. Allow your breath to be gentle but steady. As you breathe into the belly, expanding through the ribs, perhaps taking it up to the chest comfortably. And then allow your exhale to be smooth, even, and approximately the same length as your inhale. Practice a few rounds of breath. And now just allow yourself to let go of any thought of the breath. Just allow it to naturally continue. Moving into our guided meditation. As I begin to guide you through, allow yourself to listen, but relax at the same time. As you hear the words that I am saying, allow your mind to repeat them whenever you like. I am more than enough. I have more than enough. I do more than enough. I am more than enough. Every day and in every way, I am getting stronger and healthier. I show up on my mat and I practice yoga. I don't worry about the results. I just focus on my breathing and I do my best. I show up every day and live my life the best that I can. I do not worry about the results because I know that the universe is taking care of me. I can create my own reality. My thoughts create my reality, and I am the creator of my thoughts. I choose to create better thoughts that serve me and help me to serve those I come in contact with. I have the ability to decide if a thought is true or not. I am not responsible when a negative thought comes into my mind, but I am responsible for entertaining it. I can choose to release that thought and focus on a positive thought instead. I know I already have everything I need within me to be happy and healthy. I already have the capacity and capability to enjoy abundance in all areas of my life. I show up, I do my best, and then I let go of all the results because I know that the universe will provide me with my best possible outcome. I know that I am worthy of love. I know that I am worthy of happiness, and I know that I am worthy of abundance. I do not need to do anything to be worthy. I am worthy for who I am, not for what I do. I am whole, I am complete, and I lack nothing. I am powerful. I am confident, and I am inspired. My mind has unlimited power. Abundance flows to me easily and effortlessly. I am, have, and do more than enough, and I am attracting everything I need into my life to have the life of my dreams. Today, I am wide open to receive any inspiration showing me the best way to serve and love deeply. I watch effortlessly as love and abundance flow to, through, and back to me with ease. I am relaxed. I am happy. I am confident. And I am ready for the day. And now begin to take some longer breaths here. Gentle movements in your hands, your feet. And then inhale and sweep your arms up, whether you're lying down or sitting. If you're lying down, make your way to seated, hands at heart center. And bring your hands to your forehead to remind you to have clear and loving thoughts. Hands to the heart, reminding you to have clear and loving intentions. And hands to the mouth, reminding you to have clear and loving communication, sending positive energy out to all beings everywhere. Namaste. I'm so glad you joined me today, and I hope you feel really good and confident and strong. If you are still here at the end of our video, let me know by leaving the secret word in the comments below. And today's word is abundant. So leave the word abundant in the comments below. And I know you made it through everything. You're doing a wonderful job. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye.